Hello Vivites! Today we will go through a simple tutorial video on how to enroll. You have three options. Number 1, through IndusViva website. Number 2, from your virtual office. Number 3, by generating the enrollment link from your virtual office. However, all the three options will take you to the same enrollment tab. Log on to www.indusviva.us. Click My Account. Click Enroll and select the country. Here we will select USA. Click the checkbox and click Next. Enter mobile number. Mobile number verification by generating OTP is very important. Click Send OTP. Enter OTP and click Next. However, if you want to do it later, you can click Proceed without OTP. Choose the option where you want your commission to get transferred. You have two options. If you want it in your bank account or you want it in your PayPal account. Proceed further by entering the information required. Fields mentions red star mark is mandatory. Towards the end, mention the placement ID and position left or right. Mention the sponsor ID. Verify the name and click Next. Review the information once and submit. For any queries, please send an email to usa@indusviva.com.